Hello student, here we continue biomolecule series. Very important isoelectric point of glutamine, methionine as well as glutamic acid we will discuss over here. I'm Meena Dikshit. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. God bless you. All the best. Thank you for watching. What would be the structure of amino acid in a given peptide at pH 7.4? Structure of amino acid we have to see. Okay, and net positive charge, this is the last part, positive charge shown by the amino acid. So we will see that suppose this is the structure of amino acid R C and is alpha carbon bearing CO negative carboxylate ion and positively charged ammonium ion. Okay, this is H. This is deuterion. So as I told you, in aqueous medium most of the amino acid are acting as a deuterion. But when pH range is more than 7, it is 7.4. They have given 7.4. What does it mean? See, this part is acidic part and this part is basic part. Why? Because it can donate proton. There is no proton, so now it has become basic. It can accept proton, but it cannot donate proton because there is no proton in the carboxylate ion. So this is basic in nature and this is acidic in nature because it can provide proton. Okay, so when 7.4, that is in basic medium, slightly basic medium will be there, so this H will be lost, deprotonate. It will be forming water with OH negative in basic medium. So after deprotonation it becomes NH2. Okay, and the whole this species having negatively charged, one negative charge. So alpha ammonium group deprotonated, so we get anion. What do we get? Anion. This is only one negative charge is there. Here this is neutral species because positive and negative charges are equal, so this is neutral species. In this way, this type of question can be asked. Okay, if they will give pH less than 5, so at that time this is protonated, right? That we discuss later on. So at isoelectric point, this is exists as deuterion. So this is isoelectric point, this is pi point. Okay, so this is pi of this deuterion. And then that is why it is acting as a deuterion over here. And when we are increasing this pH, at that moment it will become anion. Now glutamine behaves only glutamine. It is having pH 7 and pi also 7. Okay, pi also 7 because in 7 pH it will acting as a deuterion. See, this is amino acid, this glutamine. It is having one NH2 group. At alpha carbon, one NH2 group and COH group is there, and this is amide side chain is there. So and it is acting as deuterion here. At pH 7 it is having negative charge and it is having positive charge.